Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use tabs in File Explorer on your Windows 11 computer. So this has been a long-awaited feature request that people have been asking about for many, many years. So this came out, I believe, the last major feature update in 2022. So just want to keep that in mind. It's been a little while, but in case you're unaware of how to use tabs or that they are now available, you should learn how to do that by the end of this tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're just going to go ahead and open up File Explorer here. So first thing you would notice, you could just open up a new tab like you would in a normal browser by just selecting the little plus icon up at the top of File Explorer to add a new tab. Alternatively, you can also select the Control and T key combination. So if you have Control and T on your keyboard, you can open up a new tab, assuming you have File Explorer in an active window already up on your screen. So pretty straightforward on that, guys. And you would switch between tabs like you would in any normal application that has tabs. And you can also close out of them by selecting the little X icon up at the top to close them. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do a positive to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.